Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco and today I'm going to make a pasta dish using radicchio. Radicchio is one of those things that a lot of people dislike because of the bitterness. Well, what you need to do in that case is to counterbalance the bitterness with some richness or sweetness. I'm going to add both today. I'm going to add a handful of raisins and some blue cheese. The thing with blue cheese is that that also can become overpowering, so the thing I'm going to add to counterbalance that is some ground orange zest, which is one of my favourite ingredients. It eliminates the bitterness and the fattiness of the cheese and it makes it really harmonious and delicious together. I'm going to add some pistachios for an exotic crunch, a little bit of rosemary, some white wine. It's going to be exquisite. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need radicchio, white wine, pistachios, ground orange zest, raisins, spring onion, blue cheese, this one is called Bergada, but you can use any one that you prefer, rosemary and parsley.